Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending May 9th, the major indexes didn't move much as tariff and economic growth concerns were front and center again. The U.S. service industry improved more than expected in April as the index increased from 50.8 in March to 51.6 in April. The trade deficit was much higher than expected in March at $140.5 billion. Exports were $278.5 billion, while imports were $419 billion. As expected, the Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged in May. They acknowledged that the risks for higher unemployment and higher inflation have increased, but are not in a hurry to lower rates. Productivity declined by 0.8% in the first quarter, helped by a strong increase in the manufacturing sector, which lessened the overall decline. Unit labor costs increased by 5.7%. Year-to-date, the Dow is down 3%, the S&P is down 3.8%, and the Nasdaq is down 7.2%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.38%. Oil closed at $60.98 a barrel. Gold closed at $3,328.56 an ounce, with silver closing at $32.74 an ounce. For this week of May 12th, Monday we'll get the monthly U.S. federal budget. Tuesday, the NFIB Optimism Index, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and Core CPI will be reported. CPI is a measure in the change in prices that consumers pay for a market basket of goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. No economic data for Wednesday. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, retail sales, industrial production, business inventories, the Home Builder Confidence Index, and the Producer Price Index, or PPI, which measures the change in prices that producers receive for their output. PPI is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. And on Friday, the Import Price Index, housing starts, building permits, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary detailed financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.